Good afternoon. My name is Elvia Vasquez. I'm a community organizer with Sacramento Act here locally, and also with a California Partnership for the Future of Learning. And in 2024, Sacramento faced the loss of free student transportation, the free ride K to 12. So families and community partner organized together to protect this access to school. Today, therefore, provides over 4 million rides annually, a 2.5 increase from pre-pandemic levels, serving the students across 5 school districts. This outcome reflects the community schools approach, and also the school and families and community partnering as a co-creators of the solutions that meet the community needs. The result of reduced transportation costs of families, safer access to schools, after-school programs, and greater equity for the students.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm a parent leader from Anaheim and community organizer with OCCCCO and the California Partnership for the Future of Learning. My name is Maritza Bermudez, and I want to share on how our work through community schools and shared decision-making can make schools of belonging possible. Across California, families and young people are helping redesign attendance systems, improve school climates, and reimagine college and career pathways that reflect the families lifted up in the California Partnership for the Future of Learning Listening Campaign 2025. The need for authentic partnership between schools and students and communities. In Anaheim, this work is real, and I'm proud to be part of it alongside Anaheim Elementary School District, Anaheim Union High School District. Parents and students sit at the table with educators and administrators to redesign our schools together. And we're also leading professional learning spaces where families share what's working and what's not, and why relationships must stay at the center. In AUHSD, OCCCCO has supported the district in engaging families and students in the LCAP process, helping move more participation from one-time input to more intentional, meaningful engagement. Where families understand the process and see how their voices shape decisions.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Day Sun with Catalyst California and the California Partnership for the Future of Learning. Over 1,800 students, families, and educators across 12 counties from our listening campaign made clear that inclusive and relationship-centered school cultures are key to feeling safe, supported, and connected. Trusting relationships are foundational for school transformational change. Research shows that relationships help create the conditions for learning and even have a protective effect against the impacts of adversity and trauma, relevant today as students and families face heightened threats from discrimination and racial violence. This is why community schools are so powerful and why investing the resources, time, and capacity building to develop deep relationships pays off. Community schools are not a program, but rather a different way of doing schools, grounded in trust, belonging, and shared leadership centered on the whole child. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Katy Nunez-Adler, and I'm the statewide coordinator for the California Partnership for the Future of Learning. As a partnership, we have seen that in order to ensure that our investments in the community schools approach are used effectively, we need to continue to grow and strengthen the statewide system of support rooted in trusting, authentic relationships and partnerships. Regular coaching and communities of practice help to advance shared learning and continuous improvement at a local, regional, and systems level. It's important for LEAs with multiple schools receiving funds to hold regular communities of practice. Leveraging the collective expertise of students, families, community partners, and school-based educators as capacity builders, alongside LEAs, county offices, RTACs, and the STAC, is essential to growing effective communities of practice across California so all students can learn and thrive in schools of joy, belonging, and opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Rachel Murphy with Public Advocates and the California Partnership for the Future of Learning. As we consider the successes of the California Community Schools Partnership Program and what's required to sustain this encouraging momentum, thank you, we must consider coherence and alignment across initiatives, funding streams, and systems of support. The community schools approach must align with whole child principles and existing initiatives as well, such as the Local Control Funding Formula, Expanded Learning Opportunities Program, and the Children and Youth Behavioral Health Initiative. The state should consider how to coordinate and integrate program strategies as well as the planning and recording requirements and documents. Additionally, the state must support STACs, RTACs, and COEs to provide the necessary capacity building for maximizing resources from other programs. It is through this powerful combination of partnerships and trusting relationships, expanding learning opportunities, and integrated student supports that community schools move us away from one-size-fits-all learning towards schools that meet the unique needs and strengths of their students. Thank you.
Thank you.